Microsoft Planner and Microsoft Project both manage work, but they're built for entirely different levels of complexity, and most people choose wrong by assuming Planner can scale to full project management. Planner is ideal for lightweight task tracking, team boards, and simple workflows where visibility and collaboration matter more than precision. It's fast, visual, and easy to adapt, making it perfect for marketing campaigns, sprint planning, or recurring team tasks. Microsoft Project, on the other hand, is built for structured, timeline driven execution with dependencies, critical paths, resource leveling, and budget tracking. Features that matter when delays, cost money, or multiple teams must coordinate tightly. If your work needs Gantt charts, milestone tracking, and resource allocation, Project is the right tool. If you just need to assign tasks and check progress, Planner is faster and less intimidating.